Assalamualaikum. My name is Kuratullain, and I want to share the miraculous medicinal power of mint, unlocking nature's healing secrets. Welcome to our YouTube channel. In this captivating video, we delve into the astonishing medicinal benefits of mint, a true powerhouse of nature's healing secrets. Mint, known for its refreshing aroma and delightful taste holds incredible properties that have been revered for centuries. Discover the miraculous healing power of mint as we explore its multifaceted medicinal importance from soothing digestive issues to relieving headaches. Mint has proven to be a remarkable natural remedy. Join us as we taken you on an enchanting journey through the history, uses, and applications of mint. Learn about a calming effect on the stomach, aiding in the digestion and alleviating symptoms of indigestion or nausea. Witness how mint's natural properties can serve as a breath freshener, combating unpleasant odors and ensuring oral hygiene. As you can see in the picture, mint help us in many ways. It prevents bloating, it helps in digestion, it aids in weight loss, it strengthens our liver, it empowers our memory it can stop the memory loss. It has its immense effects in the hygienic issue. It prevents from any type of allergies and many more. Moreover, we unveil Main's role in combating common cold and respiratory issues. Its antiviral and antibacterial attributes assist in soothing sore throats, relieving coughs, and clearing congested airways. Witness the incredible potency it possesses in supporting our body's immune system. Mint's potential to alleviate skin irritations and provide relief from the itching or inflammation. This wondrous herb comes packed with antioxidants that protect the skin, heal wounds, and reduce redness or swellings. But the medicinal benefits of mint don't stop there. Mint also powerful natural remedy for headaches and migraines. Its cooling properties help alleviate tensions and relax the muscles, providing quick relief from those pounding headaches. Try applying some mint oil on your temples or inhaling its invigorating aroma when a headache strikes. Furthermore, mint has antibacterial properties that can help combat bad breath and improve oral health. Its natural compounding fight against bacteria that cause plaque and cavities, leaving you with a fresher breath and healthier smile. So don't forget to add a touch of mint to your oral hygiene routine. Last but not the least, mint is a natural decongestant. When you are feeling stuffy or battling a cold, a cup of mint tea or a steam inhalation with mint leaves can work wonders. It helps clear your respiratory passages, relieves congestions, and provides relief from coughs and sinus irritations. As in the pictorial diagrammatic view, you can see its beautiful uses in making green tea or making a herbal tea to get relief from migraine, to get relief from joint pain or headaches. You can use its essential or peppermint oil, or it has multiple benefits in the pictorial diagrammatic view. You can see. As you can see, the medicinal importance of mint is truly astonishing from and aiding digestion to soothing headaches and freshing breath. This herb is a gift from nature, so next time you encounter meth, remember its incredible healing secrets. Cheers to the power of mint. Many thanks for consideration our video and for taking your time and attention to our project. Thank you very much.